Hi YouTube family, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we'll be making use of the color blend we had from our previous video to achieve jumbo braids with coily tips. Jumbo braids with coily tips. So what I would like to do is to part my hair. So for my first row at the back, I would divide that into three, which is what you're seeing now. I'm parting the first row, dividing into three equal parts. I do apologize that my parts are not so neat at the back. So after doing this, I'll use the blended hair. For this hair, we use color 1, color 27, and color 33. Let's start braiding. So because I want to achieve the coily tips, I will not finish braiding the hair. Then I would, kind of roll the hair around my perm rods, which I will later on dip into water to get the tips curled. So I'm trying to show you again how I start my braids. I will get the hair and then interlock it to achieve three equal braiding hair, which I would then apply to my own hair to start braiding. So here is it. Yippee! So this is the last braids, and I'm so excited right now with what I have achieved. The neatness, the color popping and everything. Like seriously, I'm so excited. So what I'll do is to just dip the ends in hot water to achieve that coil. Then you'll see the final result, which is very beautiful. Having said that, I would like to please beg you to subscribe to my channel, because I promise to bring entertaining and educative content. Thank you once again. It's your girl, Camelise.